How to fix Hulu Error Code RUNUNK13. Let's get started. This is a playback error that often occurs due to network connectivity issues, Hulu server problems, or issues with the device or app. If you are seeing this error, here is a step-by-step guide. First, check your internet connection. Launch your settings. Click on the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. For this network, give a first restart your router. Then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, restart the Hulu app. Sometimes closing and reopening the Hulu app can resolve playback errors like RUNUNK. So launch it. Then force quit the app. Swipe up from the bottom. Then remove the app. After you close it, relaunch it. Next, check updates for the Hulu app. An outdated app can often cause errors. Make sure Hulu is updated to its latest version. Search for the app Hulu. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, log out and log in back to your account. This can also resolve account-related issues. If the solution doesn't work for you, uninstall the Hulu app and reinstall it. Head towards the Hulu app, press and hold on the app, click on the option of Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. After you delete the app, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Hulu, and then install it. If none of these solutions works, what you can do is contact Hulu support team. For that, navigate to your preferred browser. Then type in Hulu support. Click on the very first one website, help.hulu.com. Once you're in this website, now you can contact to the Hulu support team. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Hulu error code RUNUNK13 and resume streaming without interruptions. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.